Recently, I did an unboxing of a bunch of new frying pans here for the kitchen, and I am going to do an update on what I think of them, how they are performing, and do I actually recommend them, because I had been using these pans for years and loved them. They were fine, but they made some changes to them, and how does that affect their performance? I am here to tell you, they suck. Yep. So, the first obvious problem is, this is the 8-inch pan from the original set that I got back in like 2019. This is the 8-inch pan from the set I got here a couple weeks ago. They look identical, right? You don't see any difference? Oh good, because neither do I. Okay, so this is a really small pan. This is technically an 8-inch pan. This is like a 9.5-inch pan. This is a good sized pan. So they were overselling it to begin with, and now they cut it down to an actual 8-inch pan. All right, fine, can't really fault them for that. But the biggest problem is the height. This is the thing, this is the deal breaker right here. When you put these down, thing is almost a half an inch shorter than this pan, which means anything you cook in here goes right over the sides. The sides are very shallow and swoopy, and anything you try and cook in this just goes right over the side, right out, and you lose whatever you were cooking. This is the 10-inch pan. It also, now, here's the thing, the 10-inch pan sure looks a lot like the old 8-inch pan. That's pretty funny. And these are the same height, but the old 10-inch pan, which went to live on a farm and chase rabbits, was much taller than this. So again, anything I'm cooking in this thing, right off the side. The 12-inch pan is same exact problem. If you do anything with liquids in it or anything like that, you cannot use basically these pans because it just sloshes right out and it's useless. So the Cook Standard 3-piece 8, 10, and 12-inch nonstick frying pan set available on Amazon is a fail. These they are nonstick. They do work as far as that goes, but the design changes they made are serious enough that they are no longer welcome in my kitchen, and the search for new pans will continue. I will bring you updates as I find new stuff, but as of right now, don't buy these. They suck. There you go. All right, thanks for watching. Here's a quick video. And maybe I put things in here to make it more interesting, but it's basically just telling you, don't buy these pants, they're terrible. There you go. All right, thanks for watching this one, and when I have more information, I'll be back. Till then, bye.